us. Two letters that, when brought together, create one powerful idea. The sea otter knows. That's why, in the face of strong ocean currents, they join their bodies together, creating a living raft to protect the group. Because they know the simple, powerful truth that we know. That together, we are stronger.
Yeah.
Cal State Monterey Bay is a mid-sized residential college that provides us with a strong otter raft, where we can explore the inspiring coastal environment within a supportive community that offers a personalized education and mentorship that empowers students to become compassionate leaders, ready to shape the future, where we become an otter for life.
At Cal State Monterey Bay, we are stronger when we embrace our differences and celebrate our diversity. When students have the freedom to be their authentic selves and find their people. When we are connected by a common spirit of creating positive change for the world. At Cal State Monterey Bay, we have the opportunity to thrive together because we live together. Our university has the most student housing of any CSU campus. So from residential halls to apartment-style living to homes in our East Campus neighborhoods, we forge bonds with each other that last a lifetime.
Our strength at Cal State Monterey Bay is offering a small faculty-to-student ratio that allowed us to get to know students in a more personal way. Like our $5 million USDA NIFA Next Gen grant that allows the students to conduct research, field work, and internships in agricultural planting soil science.
Those hands-on research and volunteer experiences set us apart from our peers when we graduate. From the estuaries of Monterey Bay to agricultural fields to local schools, museums, health clinics, nonprofits, or world-class resorts like Pebble Beach, we have the opportunity to get off campus and into the community where we put our knowledge into practice. As students here, we develop the skills we need to thrive in our chosen professions while learning to give back and pay it forward. We look forward to leaving Cal State Monterey Bay ready to be a driving force for global good, steering our lives and our community towards a brighter, more equitable future.
After finishing my associate's degree at Marine Church Colburn School of Nursing and working for a few years, Cal State Monterey Bay provided an affordable option to complete my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. My strength is helping people heal and stay healthy in our community, and I have a passion for teaching the next generation of nurses.
I found my strength making others feel welcome and included, fostering sustainable practices in hospitality. Through the Sustainable Hospitality Management Program and internships at the Pebble Beach Company, I've gained real-world skills while making connections that will support me after I graduate from Cal State Monterey Bay.
Cal State Monterey Bay leads the CSU in its Graduation 2025 initiative. So we graduate on-time students prepared to realize the potential of an inspiring coastal environment and bring to life the knowledge gained from a community founded upon mentorship. Going beyond the expected to a place where individual aspirations are fueled by the greater good. To a place where connections are for life and where we truly believe in the strength of us. Cal State Monterey Bay is where I found my passion for school psychology. It's where I found best friends who also love to advocate for students. It's where I discovered my love of visiting local beaches. And it's where I am gaining an education that provides a lifetime of value.
We're all part of one otter raft at Cal State Monterey Bay, and we're building a stronger future together. For us, for our university, for California and beyond.
That's why I'm an otter for life.
I'm an otter for life.
I'm an otter for life.
I am an otter for life.
I'm
an
otter for
life.
The strength is in us.
See the strength in us.
The strength is in us.